Don't boost with double up and extra spins.
Welcome to our Gambling Pugs channel. We are Robert and Elisa, and we hope you enjoy watching this video.
Hey there, Gambling Pugs here. We are at the Firecracker game. Like other times, I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm not even going to try.
We're going to play 2 cents at $3.52.
Come on, 3.
Every time one of those Firecrackers goes up, it'll hit the thing, and hopefully they light up more. And those...
Come on, get all 3.
Oh. And those little pink things are actually wild.
Don't boost with double up and extra spins.
Nice.
Let's go. $10 down there, $10 up there. And the 3 and 4 times we get the multiplier. Nice.
We need to get some in the top one for a re-spin. Come on,
hit one.
Something up top. There we go. Now at the bottom.
I want to hit that one. That would turn out to $40.
Yeah. Come on.
We gotta hit one there. We
gotta get one at the bottom at least. Come on.
Come on.
There we go.
Come on, get some multipliers in here. Multiply something. Come on.
There we go. At the bottom. There we go. Come on.
Come on, you gotta do it. Let's get it. Come on.
There we go. There we go.
We got the 5 times on that one.
Nice.
That's $20 right there.
Yeah. It's 9 times 5.
Oh, yeah.
There we
Oh,
go.
we got it. That's $40. So 4, that's 8 times 5 is $40, right?
Yeah.
Or no?
Come on, we need one more hit for the grand.
Oh, that'll be...
The grand is currently just over 5,000. Do it,
5,000
do it. Do it. Come on. Oh, we're done on the top. Come on, 2 more spins. Come on.
I don't even see it in the window.
No.
Oh well. Very nice.
Didn't get any multipliers on the top though. We missed them all by 1, except for 1 we missed by 2.
At least a couple $100.
Yeah.
$300.
Wow. Nice.
Holy cow. Very nice. $356.
Let's do it again. That was fun. Come on, keep going.
Oh, that would have been interesting to see.
Do it. I've seen him go from the very bottom and just keep going all the way up before. So.
Yep.
Come on.
Wow. Oh, we got the
blue one.
drum boost.
Except we got 3 reds and that didn't go with it.
Right.
Come on.
Give us something. Give us a
There we
multiplier
go.
here.
anything, anywhere.
Just need one anywhere now.
Yeah, just
There's one over here.
re-trigger.
Just one over here.
Re-trigger.
Oh, dude.
Oh, I saw
Ow.
Mini Max. Well, it wasn't as good, but we only got one bonus, not all three.
$22. Take it.
Yep. Come on, come on.
Oh, I thought I was going to give it to us.
There,
Oh, we got any
again.
gems on this? Let's hope it does better than the last
All
time.
the way from the bottom, all the way up.
Zone boost.
Oh, that's all it's starting
Oh,
us
wow.
with? Wow. Come on.
Give us a big
We
one.
need lots of help now, lots of coins. Keep going.
Need it 5 times here.
Coins.
Yeah, you got all of
Re-trigger,
this.
come on. There we
Ooh,
go.
a miner.
Miner is 80 bucks.
Wow. Get that filled up at
Yeah,
3
now we
times.
want that.
That'd be really nice. Come on, right there.
We need 2 for the 5 times. Different ones.
Yeah, but a miner 3 times.
So I'm saying 1 in each one. Come
Yeah.
on, re-trigger, re-trigger. There we
Come
go.
on. Come on, ladies. More.
Re-triggers. Come on, re-trigger.
Just one, just one. One.
Oh, it was there and
One
then
there and one
bounced out.
here. One here. It doesn't matter. Just one. Ah.
Well, there doesn't matter because you would need that one too.
I know, but one here would give us the multiplier.
I know, but the purple one didn't matter.
I know, but it didn't. I would want one.
There we go, 104 bucks.
That's nice. $104. See if we can get it again.
Come on, green and blue. Good.
Oh, tricky.
Come on.
Oh,
Oh. Do it.
oh.
You think we should stop there?
I don't know. We made $400.
Yeah, I know.
I
I want more bonuses, but that may
Yeah.
have been the most that we're gonna get.
Yeah, I think that's good. I think we're good. If you guys like this video and like the slot machine, or if you want us to play a different slot machine, let us know in the comments. You know, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell to get notified of upcoming videos, and comment and like. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you for watching our video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Here's a couple more videos we think you'll enjoy.